Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I have yet another programming language. Now this is nothing like Bhailang, not a meme lang, or nothing like Kalam, which is unique itself because it's totally written in Hindi, but it is a totally full-blown programming language. This is a serious one, really serious one. Okay, now the thing is, why I am featuring just a programming language when we have tons of already, right? So one of my subscriber suggested it to me, and he is literally he or she. I think obviously it will be he, because his username is Adarsh Yodha. So he is literally like commented it down in many of my many, not many, I think 3 or 4 of my videos. So that's why I am featuring it today, though I was actually taking some time to like go deep into it, like what it is, what like how it serves any purpose in this modern world, where we have like multiple languages. Because obviously whenever I create a video, I would like to like give some purposeful things, and obviously there are some videos which doesn't serve any purpose, like bhailang, that's a totally meme lang, or kalam, that's can't be a like a full blown programming language any day. But I made those videos because those have their unique properties. And for this language as well, I was trying to find any unique property, but I really didn't get any. But still, made in India tag is, I think, enough for it. So that's why I'm featuring it today. Let's see what we have today, what this language is all about. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have dragonlang.org. Okay, so in Dragonlang, so it's obviously a programming new way of new programming language, and their tagline is right place to do more. So in the introduction, what they are saying is, what is Dragon programming language? So it's an innovative, practical, general purpose language, and it support programming paradigms. Like the supported programming paradigms are imperative, object oriented, declarative, another great thing, nested structure, great, functional, great, natural programming, that's also great. The language is portable, like it can run in any of the devices and can be used to create console and GUIs. So this is a great application of it, I think. The language is designed to be simple, small, and flexible, fast. Though I don't see any benchmarking of it. Maybe like if I search for something, I can find something. But let's see what it have to offer us. So where can it be applied? GUI, graphic DB files. So that's a vast number of application that we get. Like in GUI, there are many things that we can create. DB, that means databases, like that's also a big kind of domain. And here are the clear goals, why it is designed, like applications programming language, productivity and developing high quality solution that can scale, small and fast language, simple language that can be used. So yeah, it really simple, because as you can see, here is the simple printf or alert or see out of this language. The simple statement that prints any string that is here written as show, just show, then hello world, that's it. So that's really simple. And here is a input, taking input. How do you take input? Select std, that is standard library, I think. Yeah, std standard library. So they are selecting from standard library. A is equal to read in, so they are basically using read. Acha, is it read in or read ln? I think it's read ln. It will read a whole line, then show ln. Obviously that will show line. So that's it. Let's go a little bit deeper into it, like see what his has to offer more. Okay. So here in the feature section, what I have found, that I really don't understand why they are going with this. That is, obviously declarative object oriented programming. That's great. No explicit end or statement, so you don't have to include any semicolon or enter. That's also great. And no enter is required. That also means no indentation as well, and that we can also see over here. There it is no indentation as all, like at all. No commas, no semicolons, no indentation. Now it's portable. We know that. Comments, multi-line, inline comments. Inline comments is something that is new to me, that I'm seeing in programming language maybe. Yeah. Now this thing, dynamically typed and weakly typed. Why? I don't know why. Because we just have TypeScript. Like, Microsoft has developed TypeScript just to overcome the, this scenario, dynamically typed scenario, weakly typed scenario of JavaScript, right? Like, this was not the only reason, but this was one of the reason, right? To make it a strongly typed language, right? So I really don't know why they have gone for that. But rather than that, yeah, we have a lot of features. But in this section, I am a bit confused, to be honest. Please, viewers, come up with a great argue. Okay, if you have in the pro of it, or of it, or in the cons of it, please come up with an argue. I would like to listen to it, to be honest. Like, why they have used it, like how come they, right? Rather than that, all of the great features of any programming language would ever had, where they have all of them. It's like recursion, multi-line literals, that's also great. Reflection meta programming, creating program structure, exception handling, that's important. I have learned exception handling in Java only, though I can't do it right now. Like, I can't uh, totally recreate a program in it, but whatever I have learned in Java, input output command math functions, all of the same things that we can find in any other programming language, to be honest. And .dgn, .dragon file extension. So you may ask where I can try, like, using Dragon language, and they have their full blown documentation of Dragon language. Here is it. Okay, common strings, inputs, data types. You can get everything from here. Now, one thing I can tell you for sure, that is, as this programming language is so easy and so simple to use, okay, and obviously so simple to run. One thing for sure, beginners can learn it quickly, and they can understand the concepts of programming through this. I think this will be the best language to understand the concepts of programming, because that's what is really really important. Why when you are not just learning a single language, like, grabbing the concepts of the programming. Okay, like there is, in the oops, maybe there is inheritance, polymorphism, there is overriding, overloading, all of those kind of things. Okay, so if you can learn all of those through this, that would be a great thing, right? Like loops, uh while and do while, those loops, for loops. So those are really really important to learn. uh, in whatever language you are using. Like, if you are using C, Java, JavaScript, doesn't even matter. All of those concepts gonna be same for all of the language. Concepts, only concepts gonna be same. So if you can learn it earlier or with this language, as it's seemed to be easier than anything, so I would suggest, why not, right? And but one thing about this language that I really don't like, that is why it is dynamically typed, not strongly typed. It should have been strongly typed. I don't know why. This is the one single thing that I don't like about it. Rather than that, it would have been like a full-fledged like great language to actually use in a real world scenario. Obviously it can be used in real world scenario. Why we aren't using JS? Obviously we are using JS everywhere nowadays. Yeah, predominantly people are shifting to TS, but still we are using JS a lot, right? So why not? Obviously we can use it, but still this is something that will obviously bug me. And that's really it about this language. And if you wanna try out dragon language, you can install their own IDE and you can learn, like, type a code in that and get started with it. And yeah, that's basically wrapped up all of the things. Yeah, actually that's it about this whole programming language. That's it about this whole kind of thing, like made in India programming language. I think others is happy now, as I have made this video. So yeah, kudos to you, buddy. Whatever. So if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the really new kind of, I don't know how much new it is because it's really old. And as you can see, the first release of is in 2019, and the latest release is obviously exactly 1 year ago. Not exactly, today is 2nd April, so yeah, about 1 year ago. Okay. And yeah, that's it about this whole language and all, about this whole thing. If you know about some of the not so mainstream kind of thing, like this language or something else, that serves a great purpose, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well. And the portion that I have asked you to create an argument about this, why it is not strongly typed, or what we do, like dynamically typed or strongly typed, which one is the like most preferable way of going with a programming language. Please create an argument about that in the comment section below as well. So that's it. Bye for now.